Okay, last set of practice problems. Looking for double signs. I see minus minus, that just means plus. I see plus minus, that just means minus. So I have 26 plus 3 minus 9. Write it out every time. Circling negatives. There's only a negative 9. Boxing positives. 26 and 3 is 29. They're positive. Last step. Different signs, subtract. This is 20. I have way more positives than negatives. Answer is positive. Last one, looking for double signs. I see a plus minus, that just means minus. Rewrite it. Circle negatives, oops, 15. There's only one negative and it's a 9. Oh no, just kidding. There's a 12 and a 9. So add them together. 12 plus 9 is 21, and they are negative. Box my positives. It's 15. Now signs are different. Subtract. Larger number always on top. That's 6. I have more negatives than positives, so my answer is negative 6. For your exit ticket, you've got 2 more. You're going to show all your steps on the next slide. Then you'll be able to transfer your answers into your Google Doc.